welcome back to Crafty Club. I'm sorry for not posting in November, but I want to make the holiday season as special as I can. As you can tell by my new thumbnail, it is December, and that means that we are going into all holiday crafts. I'm going to now be posting on Tuesdays and Saturdays, that way I can fit in as many crafts as I can for the holidays, and I thought that I would kick off the holiday season with a list of 15 different things that I think should be on your Christmas list this year. Alright, so the first thing on our list is watercolor cards. If you have watched any of my card videos, you know that these are the cards that I use. So this is a 10 pack, but you can also find like a 50 pack, and there are many different sizes that you can get, and these are perfect for any card that you want to make. The next idea is a patterned paper books, which cost $6. This is just one example of the many patterned books you can find. I use these a lot, and you can find the one that has the patterns that you like the most. If you look up patterned paper books, so many different variations will pop up. If you are like me, you love writing in cool fonts, but you might not be the best at writing in those fonts. Modern calligraphy is a skill that I have been wanting to learn for a while, and I found the perfect book to teach me how. It has demonstrations along with practice sheets so you can perfect the art of modern calligraphy. It is only $7, and it is a great way to learn. Now, if you want to learn how to do modern calligraphy, you are going to need the perfect brushes to learn. This is a $7 pack of 4 different variations of the perfect pen for modern calligraphy. All tips are 4 different thicknesses, so once you have this 4-pack, you will have a great variation of thicknesses for every project. Number 5 on this list is washi tape. I love to use washi tape for every craft project that I can, and I have a bullet journal that I always use washi tape in. It is perfect for scrapbooking and any other craft project. There are many different patterns, widths, and number of rolls that you can get in the set. This one is a simple pack and it has 28 rolls. You can find the perfect set for you. The price usually ranges from $8 to $20. I personally think that coloring books are a great way to relax, so there are so many different books, and this one is a book full of mandala designs and it costs $11. I feel that nobody gets too old for coloring books. It is fun no matter how old you are. I like a complicated one, but you can find a simpler version if you would like. This is a great case of 20 different colors of string that you can use for many things. You can use it for embroidery and friendship bracelets. It only costs $20, and you will use the string for a very long time. If you get this and want to learn how to make friendship bracelets, be sure to check out all of my videos on how to make friendship bracelets. Number 8 on this list is a $22 pack of 16 different acrylic paint colors. There are so many fun projects that you can do with acrylic paints, so I highly recommend getting this. You can make different colors out of the variations of colors that this pack has. I think that fine line markers are a staple in crafting. I love this brand and I use them for cards, writing letters, and coloring. This is a pack of 36 different colors of markers for only $22. It has every single color you will ever need. Number 10 is something that I'm really hoping that I get for Christmas. This is an amazing book that has all of the crafts that you could ever imagine. It is a book full of crafts, handwriting, templates, and much more. It has crafts for beginners and crafts for more experienced crafters. For $25, you can get a book that will help inspire you and give you some new ideas for crafts. This is my favorite brand of colored pencils. It is a 36-pack of different colors for $32. That might seem like a lot to spend on colored pencils, but these will not disappoint. They are high quality, and when you draw with them, they look a little waxy, which gives off a nice shine. I use these whenever I use colored pencils. Got this laminator last year for Christmas, and I've used it so much since then. I pretty much laminate everything I can. This is an Amazon basic laminator that costs $50. It comes with a bunch of laminating sheets, that way you can start laminating right when you get it. This was one of the first things that I added to my Christmas list this year. It is a wireless sticker maker. It prints out stickers and labels on sticker paper for only $58. With the app, you can design labels, design your own stickers, print out pictures, and print them out onto sticker paper. I can't wait to start using it. The last 2 ideas are the most expensive, but I think they are definitely worth looking into. Every crafter who has a lot of supplies needs somewhere to put them. This is a double storage craft cart for $70. It has different sizes of drawers, that way you can fit big and small things into your cart. Alright, on to the last craft idea. So now this is the last craft cart, and this is the one for the crafters who have a lot of materials but not so much that they need a huge cart. This is an adorable cart that has hooks, bins, and much more. For $72, you can have an adorable cart that will fit all of your crafting supplies. If you aren't a fan of either one of these, just look up on Amazon craft carts and hundreds of different carts will come up. You can find the one that fits you. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please be sure to give a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope that you guys found this video useful and that you're going to ask for some of these for Christmas. And I'll see you for the next Christmas video.